G'day guys, it's your mate Aries Tao, a portrait and wedding photographer based in Sydney, Australia. I love to shoot in natural light, especially when I'm traveling. However, lots of time we have to shoot in a less ideal natural light condition because the sun isn't always doing us favors. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to use Godox V1 to mimic the ideal natural light you want any time of the day. Shoot 1. Create soft ambient light. After checking in the afternoon, the window light is already weak and almost disappeared. So I decide to create my own big and soft light source.
Starts drinking a bit.
Bang! A beautiful morning breakfast photo is created in a room with almost no natural light. So at the corner of the room, there is a cool industrial look wall and lamp. It would be awesome to create a beautiful pocket of light to mimic the Avo sun, to give model extra dimension. So I bounce the first V1 off the wall to light up the model's face. The second V1 is on low power to light up the model's hair. And the third V1 is on camera as fill light.
Just resting. Yeah, relax, beautiful.
3 light setup is easier than ever with smaller flash and smaller light stands. There is a beautiful sunset, however, the building in the background blocks the sun. So I decide to create my own sun. I use 180-200 with full CTO gel to mimic the backlit sun and a V1 as fill light for the model's face. We don't always have the luxury to access the ideal natural light. Isn't that great to pack a couple of V1s in your bag so that you have the freedom to create the look you want any time of the day? This is Aries Tao. I will see you until next time.